Go, honey. Open your present.
Here.
Nikki. Nikki.
Open it. Open it, honey.
Like, this is boring.
Here. Open it. Open it. So flip out. What's in here?
Good girl.
What's in here? Did you get it?
Oh my god. Good girl, honey. Keep going.
She gets tissue in her mouth.
What's in there? She's like, I want a different one, honey.
Here, honey. I don't want to talk because my voice is on there.
No, it's just Jess. What's in there?
Open your present.
Oh my god.
You got tissue in your mouth?
What's in there, Nick?
Get it, get it.
What's that? Is that a new placement with your name on it? Look. She wants to put tissue paper.
Look at your placemat, honey. For your bullies. Okay, next.
Here, baby.
You gonna do the toy last?
Yeah.
Open it. Here, open it. Open it.
What's in there, honey?
Get it. Open it.
Oh my god.
You get it? Here. Here. Probably looking for TREATS's. Here, get it. Get it. Open it. Open it.
What's that? Is that new harness?
Look, you got a new harness to go W's with. You got a new harness.
Look, it's orange, honey.
Oh, is that pretty?
Yeah.
You love it?
Ooh.
You go W's with it.
Hope it fits you.
Wanna try it on? Huh? You wanna try it on? You can smell it.
It better fit you, little porker.
Wanna try it on?
Oh my god. Hi, honey.
Pretty.
Say hi, Jess.
I think she's doing okay. She's going for W.
Good girl. Ooh, does it fit?
Oh, really?
Look, how pretty.
You love it?
Let's show Jess. Aw, look. Want another one? She's like, yeah. Here.
Oh.
Good girl. What's that?
How can you send Jess a video?
On Facebook. What's in there?
What's that be?
Good girl.
Can you get it?
What's in there? Good girl.
What is it? What is that?
Ooh, is that a new bath towel?
Look at your towel for your bathroom.
Ooh, look.
Nikki.
She's like, hell no, I don't want a bath.
Nikki, want a bath?
Where's your towel? Ooh, it's
Oh, so
pink.
beautiful.
Beautiful
Yeah.
girl. Hi. Oh my god.
So pretty.
You're so freaking cute. You like that? You want your other present? Say hi, Jess. Hi, Jess. Yeah, grab it, honey. Here.
Ooh, what's that?
Look at her. First, take the tag off. Good girl, Nick. What's in there?
What is that? What could that be, honey?
Oh my god.
Did you get that?
Yeah. Nikki, where are you going?
Here.
Where are you going, honey?
Nikki, come. Come here, honey. Bring it in here. What's that?
that?
Look at a new toy.
Oh my god.
Where's your
so
new
cute.
toy?
Oh my god.
Nikki.
Oh, what's that? Is that a pink rhino?
Come show Grandma.
What'd you get, honey?
You got a new toy?
Oh, take the tags off.
Nikki, come show Grandma.
Bring it over here, honey.
Show Grandma. Nikki, show Grandma. Show
Good
Grandma.
girl.
You gotta
Good
show
girl.
Jess. Nikki, look. Look. rhino.
Look,
Don't
honey.
him.
The pink
Yeah,
rhinoceros.
we're showing Jess. We're showing Jess your rhino.
You love him? Do you love him? What's his name? We already have a pinky. Briny.
You love your rhino? Look at him. Do you love him? Does he remind you of your pig elephant? I mean your pig? Want Grandma to throw him? Oh, you gotta love Rhino. You gotta love him. What should we name him? Rory.
Her little harness. She's so
Rory.
cute.
I name him Rory. That's a boy's name though.
What's a girl's name?
Rory.
Yeah.
Bring Rhino in here. Bring Rory in here.
Gotta say bye to Jess.
Nikki, come here. Wait, I wanted to do I love you on there.
Okay.
Nikki, come. Come here. Look.
I got 8 minutes left.
What's this? Come here. Nikki, come. Come here, Nikki.
Go get it.
Come
Nicolina.
Come here. Come here. Do you want paper? You want the paper? Come here.
Let's say hi to Jess.
Come here.
Say hi, Jess.
Hi, Jess. I wish you were here when I opened my presents.
Oh my God.
I love you.